This is our toilet I'm about to have to fix. Let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, I'm about to flush it.